To install Lenovo driver for laptops, you can find your models on the Google, and then for easier to install driver with the right your laptop types, you can install Lenovo Service Bridge to identifying your serial numbers. In here, my serial numbers is automatically identified. After we install a Lenovo Service Bridge, you can see here this is the software for identifying your laptop types and serial numbers. After we scan, we can choose manual update to find our laptop drivers. In here, I want to install my AMD for video graphics driver or display driver, and we can just click download, and after download completed, we can just double click or install them. In here, I click open with IDMs, and then the right driver we install in our laptops. And Lenovo Service Bridge is recommended if you don't know your Lenovo types or your Lenovo mark. And the driver is installed successfully because we have the right driver for the right laptop. Thanks for watching. Hope this helpful about find the driver for our Lenovo laptops.